Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now. It's in the news, it's in your phone, it's in your workplace. But here's the problem. Most people hear about AI constantly, yet very few people are shown how to actually use it in a practical, meaningful way. For many, AI still feels abstract, complicated, or designed only for engineers and tech insiders. Today, we're changing that. In this video, we're going to break down how everyday people can use AI to save time, reduce effort, increase productivity, and make better decisions without needing a technical background. And for advanced users, we'll also cover how to think about AI strategically, not just tactically. This is not hype. This is how AI actually works for real people. Let's start with clarity. AI is not a robot. AI is not a replacement for human intelligence, and AI does not work on its own. At its core, modern AI is a tool for processing information, recognizing patterns, and assisting decision-making. Think of AI as a digital multiplier. It multiplies your speed. It multiplies your clarity. It multiplies your output. But, and this is critical, it only multiplies what you give it. AI doesn't replace effort. It replaces inefficiency. Here is the most important concept in this entire video. AI does not create value automatically. Value comes from how you apply it. The people benefiting most from AI are not necessarily the most technical. They are the people who clearly understand what problem they are trying to solve, what outcome they want, how to ask precise questions. Let's talk about real-world use cases. For everyday workers, AI can assist with writing clear, professional emails, summarizing long documents, explaining complex instructions in plain language, preparing presentations or reports, organizing tasks and priorities. In this context, AI functions as a communication and comprehension accelerator. For small business owners and independent operators, AI can help with drafting marketing copy, structuring business plans, responding to customer inquiries, analyzing basic data trends, generating ideas faster than traditional brainstorming. Here, AI becomes a strategic assistant, not a decision maker. For families and individuals, AI is increasingly used for homework assistance, budget planning, learning new skills, interpreting forms, policies, or legal language, reducing cognitive overload. In simple terms, AI helps people think more clearly with less stress. For experienced users, the real advantage comes from systems thinking. Advanced users don't ask, "What can AI do?" They ask, "Where am I repeating myself? Where am I losing time? Where is my decision-making slowed by information overload?" AI excels in environments involving repetition, pattern recognition, large volumes of information, predictable workflows. At a professional level, AI is not about novelty, it's about optimization. As AI becomes more powerful, one skill rises above all others. The ability to ask good questions. Clear input produces clear output. Vague prompts produce vague results. This is true whether you are a first-time user, a manager, a technologist, or an executive. AI rewards clarity. And clarity is a human skill. AI is not the future, it is the present. But the real divide is not between people who use AI and people who don't. The divide is between those who actively apply it and those who passively observe it. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be an expert. You simply need to identify one problem and let AI help you solve it more efficiently. That is how AI works for everyday people, and that is how it creates real value.